Good morning, everyone. This is Thomas Donahue, and this is the Driver's Apex. If you're new to the channel, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the subscribe button. I definitely appreciate the support. So what is the Driver's Apex? It's really about how-tos, working on this E46 M3. That's a new chassis for me. The E30, that's the one that I started on. I love going for a ride. So today we're going to go for a ride. It'll be two M2 comps. It'll be the E46 M3, and then I don't know what my buddy's going to bring. He'll either bring a Z8 or an Aston Martin or something like that. He's got some really, really cool cars. And then soon, I hope, we're going to go for a ride in a 991.2 GT3 RS. That's going to be a lot of fun. I've been looking for this guy for a couple of years, and I just stumbled across him, so that's super cool. So let's go for a ride. All right, so we're in neutral. I'm actually really liking this, and then I like for everything to prime. All right, so we're in the Walmart parking lot. We've got this dope M2. We've got this 3 Series. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It has incredible road presence. Another M2, and then of course the E46 M3. Certainly going to draw some attention today. Got the M2 comp leading, and then we're sandwiched between another M2 comp and then followed by the Aston Martin Vantage, which is sick. I think we got a little car show here. And then we've got the other E46 in the back. Speed bumps. Full throttle, he's like a quarter throttle.
Oh, here we go. Following this Aston Martin at 55 miles per hour. Yeah, this section here is a lot of fun. Those fast sweepers. That's a beautiful sight following that car. It's such a gorgeous color. I don't know what the color is, but I know it's really pretty. Saw that in the video. He definitely waved us on.
All right, so we wound up in Globe. We're gonna have a little bit of food. The M3 has done phenomenal. It's quite capable car. I was actually rather surprised on how it was able to keep up with a lot of these really amazing fast cars. That M2 is gorgeous. And this Aston Martin, oh my gosh. You'll see in the videos, I had to rev it out like crazy. And I just heard from the owner, he put it in 6 gear ones, most of the time 6th, 7th gear, and he's able to pull substantially harder than an E46 M3. Insane. Yeah, so here we are. We're gonna eat, we're gonna turn around, and we're gonna do it again. All right, everyone. So I know that was just a quick, simple kind of video. It was just more about just taking you along with me and the drive that we had with the Aston and the M2, stuff like that. I'm going to step up some of that camera equipment. We can get some better, like, out of car kind of shots, stuff like that. But I hope you like this video. There's definitely going to be a lot more riding videos, driving videos with this M3. It's just a ton of fun. But before we do that, got some maintenance to do on the M3, oil change, and then we're gonna do the second oil change. It's gonna get loud for a second. We're gonna do the second oil change and send it out to Blackstone and Speed Diagnostics. That's gonna be a video coming soon where I'll have 2 data points, so that way I can share with you the difference between Blackstone and then Speed Diagnostics. So I'm gonna close this video out. I'm gonna start filming this one, and then I've got some videos to edit. All right, guys, till next time.